Welcome back, guys, to another banger. Today, we're going to be showing my fireworks. My garage might be a little bit messy because we are moving to another town. So, let's get into it. Okay, first, we have, I don't know what it's called, I think it's called Guerrillas Warfare. It has 25 shots in it. It shoots flaming things, and it's no name firework if you want to get it. It costs $65. Yeah, it's pretty sick. It's like this big, just guessing. And sorry, so I'm gonna put that right there. I got my rippers out with the lighter. And this pretty mortar shoots flaming balls. It's like a 4-inch, 5-inch. I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Then we got this son of a beauty. Artillery. Sorted artillery shells. It's like 5-inch, 6-inch. I don't know. And we got American Express down there. Right there. We got this 7-shot little thing. We got this 1-inch aerial bomb. We got this 100-shot. I don't know if that's a mortar. Tell me down in the comments. We got the loudest firework ever. I think that's what the fireworker said. We got 2 of them. We have this 36-shot. Pretty happy 36. We have, we have this. This would be our grand finale. What's it called? Superstars. It shoots everywhere. Let's put it on the side. We have this ice cream. It's really heavy. I mean, it's gonna be a lot. And then we got this 16-shot post. Then we just have sparklers that go in the dark. We have rose, fountain, that. Then we have that, same thing. We got the 100-shot, like that one. Then we got same fountain, but just it's violet. This one, Killer Bee. This little jack-in-the-box, it doesn't have a wick. These blossom fireworks. And then those. So yeah, that's all my fireworks stash. The coolest one here is either this boy or this one. I don't know. Tell me down in the comments what you think. Oh yeah, we also got this for free. This Sky Lantern. So, and this is the box they came in. It's called, if you want to get it, it's called Assortment Rocket. Read that. 4 ounces. This comes off. You like put it in the ground, light it, and it goes off. And this is a pretty lighter guy. So yeah, guys, that is my stash of fireworks, and this is that. So that's this 4th of July. See you later, guys. That's not working again. Let's try that again.